I appreciate Globsyn for championing such a discussion of an undeniable and inevitable significance. We can't stay definitely away from AI. Its profound, its inexorable advancement, and its impact in our lives.
Artificial intelligence has been a game changer in the field of technology and has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Generative AI is the steam engine moment of the fourth wave of industrial revolution.
The major impact which has been caused by this technology is it has democratized AI. And not only AI, it has democratized the way technology has to be dealt with.
Let's understand we have to live with AI. There's no option. AI is there and AI is going to come in a bigger and bigger way. And we have to live in this world. AI can certainly simulate certain aspects of human intelligence such as language understanding, problem solving, pattern recognition, but they do not possess human values.
So human values kind of like shape our principles. They actually make our beliefs and ideals and then make us understand what is right and what is wrong.
The AI and human can work together to do what the AI is good and what human is good by complementary playing a role.
We are way past the stage of accepting. It's time we accept, way past the stage of fear, what policies to have. I think we figured it out. It's time to embrace, like many of our esteemed speakers have already said, yes, but I believe you have to learn and educate ourselves.
It's really probably not important to make AI human. It's human to make AI work for us. How we can do that, that will make the difference.